Hey everyone, welcome to Gifty's Kitchen Delights. Today's recipe is a pasta recipe. It's my version of a chicken Alfredo pasta. It's so easy to make and it's packed with comforting and creamy flavors. And I cannot wait to share with you guys. So let's get started. For the chicken, you're gonna need 2 chicken breasts that's cubed, half teaspoon each of garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, cumin, oregano, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper and salt to taste, 1 tablespoon of butter, and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. For the pasta, you're going to need 1 pound of pasta of your choice, 1 bunch of broccoli, 3 tablespoons of butter, 3 garlic cloves that's minced, 3 tablespoons of flour, 2.5 cups of milk, half cup of heavy cream, 1/4 teaspoon each of paprika, garlic powder and pepper, and salt to taste, and 1/4 cup of Parmesan. Start by marinating the chicken. So in a bowl of cubed chicken breast, add in the seasonings and mix till all of the chicken is coated well. Set this aside for about 10 to 15 minutes. Meanwhile, cook the pasta according to the package instructions and make sure to not overcook the pasta. In a pan on medium heat, pour in a little bit of olive oil and add in the broccoli and saute for about 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, cover and cook the broccoli for about 4 to 5 minutes on medium to low heat and make sure to stir in between. I'm using baby broccoli today for this recipe, but you can definitely use the regular broccoli or a vegetable of your choice or no vegetable at all. Once the broccoli is cooked, transfer it into another plate and set it aside. In the same pan, pour in the olive oil and the butter, and once the butter is melted, add in the seasoned chicken and cook the chicken. You will start to see water come out of the chicken, but continue cooking till the water is absorbed and the chicken is well cooked. Once the chicken is cooked, transfer it onto another plate. Now it's time to make the Alfredo sauce. So in the same pan, add in the butter and let it melt. Add in the minced garlic and saute for about a minute. Then add in the flour and cook the flour for about 2 minutes. Then pour in the milk and the heavy cream and stir and cook till the milk and heavy cream comes to a simmer and thickens. Season the sauce with the seasoning and add in the Parmesan cheese. Combine this into the sauce. Once combined, add in the sauteed broccoli, cooked chicken, and the cooked pasta and give this a really nice mix till everything is combined. And the chicken Alfredo pasta is ready to indulge. This pasta tastes amazing and is such a comforting meal. It's also best served with a side of garlic bread as well. I'll leave the recipe link to my garlic bread recipe below. If you enjoyed watching this pasta recipe, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to see more delicious recipes. And don't forget to check out my previous recipes, and I'll see y'all soon with a new recipe video. Thanks for watching. Bye!